Meaning of greensward.
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 Greensward. Greensward refers to an area of grassy land, typically in a park or meadow. It is a term that is commonly associated with England and its countryside. In essence, the word evokes images of rolling hills, green pastures and the natural beauty of rural landscapes. The term derives from the Old English words green meaning green, and sward meaning turf or grass. Overall, greensward is a poetic and descriptive term used to express the beauty and richness of natural landscapes. It can also evoke a sense of nostalgia and longing for simpler times when people were more connected to nature.